Welcome to my channel. How to print from Android to HP printer. Install the HP Smart app. Step 1. Download HP Smart app. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for HP Smart and install the app. Step 2. Set up the app. Open the HP Smart app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your printer. You may need to connect the app to your printer over Wi-Fi. Print using the HP Smart app. Step 1. Open HP Smart app. Open the HP Smart app on your Android device. Step 2. Select your document or photo. Tap on the icon or select the document or photo you want to print. Step 3. Choose your printer. Make sure your HP printer is selected. If it's not, tap on the printer name at the top and select your printer from the list. Step 4. Print. Tap on the Print button and configure your print settings if needed, e.g., number of copies, color options.